Today we're going to review the Omaker Micro USB cable. Comes in a pack of 2 off Amazon. It's nicely packaged. And the special thing about these cables is that you can plug them in both ways, for both this end and this end. It's measuring 108.5 centimeters long. The cable itself is thinner than the Anker cable, and it's got the nylon braided cord, and it also has a thin rubber coating over it, so it's a little more sticky than just an exposed nylon cord. But I think since it's so thin, it's still pretty nice. So it's a thin cable. It supposedly charges a lot faster than anything else, and you can plug it in both ways. So let's test it out against these other cables and see how it does. So let's test this cheap eBay cable on an HTC One, which pulls up to 1 amp. So it says 540 milliamps approximately. Let's check this other cheap cable. 410 milliamps. So these two cables charge at pretty slow rates. These only charge half of what it can charge. And then the Anker cable is supposed to charge pretty quickly. And it's giving us 1070 milliamps. So that's a pretty fast cable, but it's thick. Let's test out this one. We can plug it in whichever way we want. So you plug it in this way, plug it in this way. Doesn't really matter. Same thing on the phone end. You can plug it in this way. It's a nice strong click. Holds itself in very nice and tight, so it never doesn't fall out easily. Charging at 1100 milliamps. I've never seen it charge at 1100 milliamps with any other cable, or the Anker cable even. So this is a very good gold-plated, low resistance micro USB charging cable. 1100 milliamps. That's one fast cable. It's comparable to the Anker cables, which are gold-plated. This one's also gold-plated, and it plugs in both ways. The annoying thing about regular cables is you go to plug it in and you plug it in upside down, it doesn't go in. You get all frustrated. You have to flip it around. And the new Apple Lightning cables fixes that, and the new Omaker Micro USB cables fix that for Android phones. So it's going to work well in the car, work well by the bedside, by the couch. You can just plug it in. You don't have to worry about which direction it's in. As long as it's pretty much lined up, it'll fit in, and it does a nice click. So we can definitely say that this is a #1 cable. Fastest charging, omnidirectional, well priced, thin, rugged. I hope that helps, and thanks for watching.